Hi guys, it's Danny here from NS Sport and Cypher Primary School. As you know, the schools are closed at the minute. As a company, as a school, we want to try and keep our kids active as much as possible. So we're going to come up with some ideas that you can do at home. Feel free, parents, to join in as well. You can challenge your kids. Today we're going to look at some ladder work. Now I know not everyone has ladders at home. I have some ladders here, but also you can see I put some paper out on the floor, which is pretty much the same. So it's the same meaning behind it. We're looking at our speed, our agility. We're going to try and strengthen our muscles in our legs and just keep ourselves active pretty much. I'm going to show you some stuff on the ladders. Like I said, if you haven't got ladders at home, not the end of the world. Hopefully that you will have some paper at home. So you can just place some paper down on the floor like a ladder is. Make sure there's gaps in between. Like I said, I'm going to show you some stuff on the ladders now, and I'll show you how you can do it with the paper as well. So the first one we're going to do 1 foot in between each gap in the ladder. The aim is not to touch the ladder. The aim is to go for as quick as you can, like I said, without touching it. You can do it as many times as you feel like you could possibly do it, but you just need to make sure you're doing it correctly. So I'll show you quickly with the ladder. So you start down one end, and you'll go through the ladder as quick as you can, using 1 foot in each one. When you get to the end, you can decide whether you want to come back or down the side and just take your time with that. So ready, first one, 1 foot as quick as you can in the middle, and then I'm going to walk back. I'm going to do it one more time. Good. Now if you're going to use the paper, it's the exact same. As you can see, there's quite big gaps in between, so you can make it smaller. You can add more paper to make it a longer ladder. That's your choice though, okay? So I'm going to do the exact same again. When I'm doing this, I'm making sure I'm just using the balls of my feet, okay? Not completely flat on the floor. Quick, using the balls of your feet, okay? So fast as you can, in between, okay? I'm going to go on the way back this time, fast, okay? Next one we're going to do, we're going to do 2 feet in between each one this time. So you have to think a little bit more about this one, bit of focus about it, make sure you get it done correctly, okay? So I'm going to show you with the ladder first. So if you have a ladder at home, great. If you don't, like I said, just use the paper. 2 feet as quick as you can in the middle, and walk back. Show you with the paper this time, 2 feet, okay? Make sure you're using your arms, it gives you more power, okay? One more time. Good. Next one I'm going to show you, again I'll show you from the ladder first. We're going to go sideways. Okay, so you're going to face sideways, the exact same as what we just did, but just sideways now pretty much. You'll see how much I'm using my arms. Try and use your arms as much as possible, it just gets you going a little bit more, okay? So 2 feet in the middle again, using my arms. Now you can probably see I'm looking down at the floor, but if you can look forwards and not look down, that's great. But again, just try not to hit the yellow parts of the ladders. If you can do that, great. If not, look down, quick feet still, okay? I'm going to do it with the paper version now. 2 feet. Good, okay? One more I'm going to show you, one more time. Show you with the paper again, so 2 feet, fast. Good, okay? Next one, it's a tricky one now. Now, if parents are joining in, you should be able to do this, hopefully. I'm just going to move the paper out of the way a little bit here. Now this time you're going to go side to side, okay? Now it sounds complicated, but it's not. You can do it at your pace. No one else, it's just yours, okay? You're going to start to the side of the ladder. You're going to skip sideways, okay? So every time, 2 feet in the middle, 2 feet out. 2 feet in the middle, 2 feet out. 2 feet in the middle, 2 feet out. Okay, walk back. I'm going to speed up a little bit now. Okay, that's just a slow one. Speed up that a little bit. So, I'm going to go 2 feet in the middle, 2 feet out. 2 feet in the middle, 2 feet out. Okay? Again, if you can look forwards, great. But try and look and see if you're doing it correctly. Exact same concept with the paper version, okay? I'll quickly show you with the paper. And then, if you've got some ideas, guys, that'll be great as well. So I'm going to start to the side again, in between. Make sure the feet are in the middle, and out, okay? So there's some ideas for you to use, guys. If you've got any more, it's going to go on Facebook, Instagram, school's website, NS Sport website, everything. Oh, a bit hot actually. But Be safe out there, guys, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.